Hey guys, my name is Khan. In this video, I'm going to share EURUSD case study that how you can take a trade and what criteria you have to follow before the buy or sell. So first of all, you can see you have to follow the higher time frame structure, then you can follow lower time frame structure. We are day trader as you know, and we follow the 15-minute structure for the higher time frame and 1-minute entry. So now you can see on the screen, this is a 15-minute chart. So this is our previous high which is here, and this was our break of structure. After break of structure, what happened here? Market take a deeper pullback to the downside, and where is our higher low and higher high? You can mark this one, okay? And after this, what happened here? After break of structure, we are anticipating price tap on this level, tap below this inducement, then we can buy, and tap on the extreme, then we can buy. So these two area when we can looking for the buy, but market did not give any reaction. And then what happened here? Market taken out the previous low which is here. After taking out this low, what happened here in the right side at this point? If you can see here, market just sweep the low, which is means once market sweep the low or high in a major time frame, that means market take a deeper pullback into lower time frame. Then market give you deeper pullback to the downside and upside. So in this case, what happened here? You can see here, market sweep the previous low. After sweep this previous low, what we can expect here? We can expect a short term buy to the upside because market just sweep the liquidity. It doesn't mean that market structure change, because our bullish structure is still bullish after sweep this low, because market did not break this low. If market break this low, close below it, then we can consider this is a change of character because market was bullish. So what happened here? Market sweep this low and you can buy here for the short term. And after this one, what happened here? This is our change of character. And why I mark this as a change of character? Because we are still bullish, and this zone act like our higher time frame POI because market sweep the previous major low. Okay, so this is our change of character. After this change of character, what we can expect here? We can expect continuation to the upside because market momentum is a bullish in a higher time frame. So what happened here? Market push upside, there is a no inducement. Before the buy or sell, inducement is a necessary or sweep the liquidity. Okay, without liquidity sweep or without inducement, we can't buy or sell. So what happened here? Market gave a little bit reaction to the downside, and these are all internal structure, internal range, but we need a valid inducement. And how inducement can create? Market push downside and break this high, and then market create this low, and this low act like inducement before the buy. Okay, so what happened here? If you can see in the right side, market just sweep this high, which is means first time in a first attempt market sweep this high, which is also fine. We can take this one for the short term quick sell is here, because after taking out this high, where is our low is here, and so this is our low. If anything available here in a 1-minute structure, we can short term sell till this level because this is our inducement, and after taking out the inducement, we can again buy. Then what happened after this? You can see market did not taken out the inducement and market create another one, which one is here. Okay, and after this, what happened here? You can see market just collecting the money to the upside, and then what happened here? We can again sell here at this point because when market sweep the major high or low and create a big like this, and you can sell into 1-minute structure because this is our entry tab 3. Okay, and when market taken out this high and our inducement shift here to here, and this is our inducement, and you can sell here, target is here. Okay, so overall what happening here? You can see market just collecting the money to the upside and then trying to go downside. So what happened here? After taking out the inducement, as I mentioned, that market can go higher. So what happened here? Market mitigates something here in lower time frame. Okay, and then market go higher. If there is a no order block, which is absolutely fine because main thing is our inducement. Inducement is a necessary, order block is not necessary for me or you. Okay, so main thing is the inducement. After taking out the inducement, market mitigates something here or not, doesn't matter. You can follow into lower time frame structure at this point after taking out this inducement. If anything is available, you can buy. okay, but look at the top of the structure. You can see market just collecting the money, which is an indication that market actually looking for the deeper pullback to the downside. Okay, so after this, what happened here? Market break this structure is here, and you can see after break this structure, you can say a change of character. What happened here? Market just sweep the liquidity, which is means market just collecting the money. After break the structure, market must be close above it. So this can be a strong indication for the continuation to the upside, and we are tapped already on this demand zone, possibly in a lower time frame. And then what happened? This is our change of character, close above it, and we can again buy here. But what happened here? You can see market just collecting the money like this. And then what happened here? In the next attempt, market is also previous high taken out, and then what happened? Just sweep the liquidity. It means market has no strength for the upside, because market not giving any candle closer to the upside. Okay, and this one is not a change of character. Okay, this is a minor pullback, and in this case this is a not valid. Okay, so this one is our change of character. Okay, if market taken out this low and taken out this low like this, and we can buy, but market must be close above it. In this case, you can see above and below, everywhere market collecting the liquidity, right? So these are indication that market actually looking for the downside. So now you can see at this point what happened here on the last attempt. Break the structure and push downside, but look at this price action is here in the left side. This will act like a POI, and then we can consider this is our inducement, correct? After taking out the inducement, we can buy here. Now let's switch into the 1 minute to see that how price is reacting at this point. Then you can consider that how price is looking here for the buy or sell. Now let's switch into the lower time frame to see that how price is reacting at this point, because overall looking a bearish sentiment, looking for the deeper pullback to the downside. As you can see here, this is our inducement, minor inducement, and market tap on this level, and we can expect a buy here. But where we can buy here after this change of character, which one is here? But I'm not interested here for buy, because as I mentioned that market taken out the liquidity to the upside, but I'm more interested if anything is available here for the sell. So you can see market create this equal high, just sweep the liquidity, okay, in a first attempt. And I was also waiting here. If market taken out this high and mitigate this order block, which one is here, then I can sell. If not mitigate this order block and market just sweep this liquidity, okay, and then give any reaction here in a single candle confirmation, then I'm introduced for the sell, because I'm not interested for the buy, because market just collecting the money to the upside, right? So what happened here? This is our supply zone, okay, and I was expecting if market tap on this level, then I'm also introduced for the sell compared to the buy. Now let's see what happened here. So at this point, what happened here? Market collecting the all money. This is an indication that market actually collect this money, inducement. Order block is not necessary, as I mentioned every time. Main thing is our liquidity and inducement. I was waiting for one more confirmation like here. If market break this low, then I can take sell entry, because market momentum is a bearish in a lower time frame, but in a 15-minute market collecting the money. So overall bias is a bearish, but I was waiting here for clear confirmation, because market taken out the inducement and market can be go higher, okay, and market maybe mitigate this one and then give any reaction single candle, then I can take entry. So let's see what happened next here. Market break this low, which is means now I can take enter here for the sell. This can be a valid entry for the sell, and I place my order is here and put the stop loss just above it, okay, and the target is here in a M15 major low. So this is our M15 low, target is here, and now I can sell here, and this is valid entry for the sell, because market just collecting the money to the upside and downside, and this is our almost 10-hour trade. So now I can sell here, and this is an indication market collecting money in a higher time frame, in a lower time frame. So market tap on the order. If you can see here, market mitigate this one, and then what happened here? Market push downside, continue, And another entry was possible here for the scale in. So after break this low, which one is here, after break this low, I put my stop loss on break even. As I mentioned, when market break the recent structure, then you can stop loss on a break even. So what happened here after this one, market push downside rapidly in a downside, and then finally market hit the target point. So basically this is our trade recap for the euro USD, which is a 10-hour trade, and I hope this will help you a lot to understand things. Market structure is a necessary, but liquidity is also necessary. I hope you understand what I explained here, and this will help you definitely to improve your trading style. And thank you so much guys, and see you in the next video. Happy trading.